Hello and welcome to the morning bulletin. This is Amina and you're watching SW News English. Now it's time to dive into the top stories of the morning. Over the controversy of consuming mangoes inside the jail, Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal has informed the Delhi's Rouse Avenue Court that mangoes were sent from his home only thrice after he was arrested by the ED on March 21st. Besides this, Kejriwal said that he had sugar-free sweets 6 times. The court was hearing this application to allow him to have insulin inside the jail owing to his diabetic condition. Plus, Kejriwal has also requested online consultation with a private doctor every day in the presence of his wife Sunita Kejriwal. Tamil Nadu BJP chief K. Annamalai has claimed that there were complaints from voters who said that their names were missing from the voters list. He said that they are demanding re-poll in places where the names of a large number of voters were missing. Days after clashes broke out in West Bengal's Murshidabad on Ram Navami, the Election Commission has removed 2 officers in charge over the violence. The officers in charge of Beldanga and Shaktipur have been suspended as well. This clash broke out in West Bengal's Murshidabad district during a Ram Navami procession on Wednesday. Northeastern state Nagaland voted in the first phase for the lone Lok Sabha seat yesterday. However, 6 districts in the Nagaland state saw no voters turn out. This comes as people abstained from voting over the demand for a separate state. The Eastern Nagaland People's Organization had urged the people in 6 districts of the region to not vote in the elections as a form of protest. Union Home Minister Amit Shah last evening took potshots at PDP chief Mehbooba Mufti and Congress MP Rahul Gandhi. Amit Shah said that Mehbooba Mufti and Rahul Baba used to predict bloodbath in Jammu and Kashmir if the special status was removed. He said further that no one has the guts to throw stones in the Union territory now. A day after Congress leader Rahul Gandhi attacked Kerala CM Pinarayi Vijayan, Rahul Gandhi had asked why the Marxist leader was not being interrogated or arrested by the central agencies. Then in response to this, Kerala CM hit back by saying that he was not afraid to go to jail. Further, he took a jibe by suggesting that Rahul Gandhi had not improved his public image over time. The Supreme Court has issued notice to the government on a petition. This petition has alleged that blanket orders under Section 144 were being passed citing elections. The petitioners sought restraint on indiscriminate practice of magistrates and state governments passing blanket orders under Section 144 to prohibit any meetings, gatherings, processions and dharnas ahead of every election. It said these blanket prohibitory orders directly affect the civil society and gathering public from freely discussing, participating, organizing or mobilizing on issues affecting them ahead of elections. Well, that's all for the morning bulletin. Till then, keep watching SW News English and download our app News Shorts to get the latest news and updates. Stay ahead with our cutting edge news app. Instantly access the latest shorts in just 1 minute and breaking news in just 50 words. Download now for a smarter, faster news experience.